Mammography and sonography screening really plays a very important role. Nadia, everybody is aware that the best prevention is early diagnosis. We don't have any vaccination for breast cancer, but then best protection, not prevention. Best protection is early detection. We cannot prevent breast cancer, but yes, we can have a very good protection towards if suppose we have an early detection. And regular screening goes a long way in helping to have an early detection when the lump or a nodule is not palpable. In that stage, if suppose we detect it, then we have a treatment option which would be really giving us an effective and successful outcome. And that is why it is very important to have a regular breast screening. And I would always advise that each and everyone above 20 years of age should be having a breast self examination. It is very important to know what is breast self examination, because until and unless one knows what is normal for yourself, you will not be able to know what is going wrong with yourself. You should know how your breast feels, how it looks, what is the contour, and then only you would be able to point out if suppose there is some change in your breast feel or the contour or the nipple level, and that way you will be able to. So breast self examination after 20 years of age, and preferably on 7th or 8th day of menses. And one who are postmenopausal should fix up one day of the month to examine themselves. And same is for pregnant ladies. They should also not miss having the breast self examination. And then comes to sonomammography or mammography. So there are so many studies and uh, schedules put forward, but then after 40 years of age, each and every female should undergo a screening mammography. Mind it, I'm saying screening mammography and diagnostic mammography is different. Screening mammography, when you don't have any complaints and you are going in for a screening of for mammography, that is called as screening mammography. And this has to be done every year from beginning from 40 years of age. But yes, we can offer the mammography before 40 years of age in case the patient is high risk. We can do it sonomammography at the age of 30 years. I'm adding sonography also to it because the younger breasts are more dense, and then few of the lesions are not seen on mammography, which are seen on sonography. So that is where the sonography plays a role. So we offer them sonomammography, and after the age of 55 years, we can do the mammography every 2 years up to the age of 75 years. You can understand the importance when you know that 4 millimeters nodule is also detected by mammography. So that is where the importance of regular screening is there. If you go in for regular screening, the size of the nodule or the lump of the breast, whatever we detect, is so small, and the smaller the nodule, earlier the diagnosis, better are the results for the treatment. So that is where the regular screening plays a very, very important role in breast cancer diagnosis and thereafter the treatment outcomes.